So today I'm making my roasted red peppers and chickpea soup. This is an amazing soup that can be had in the morning as breakfast or as lunch or as dinner. These are the ingredients that you would need to make the soup. My advice is that try and lay everything out, have the onions chopped and all the ingredients in one place before you start cooking, so that prevents you from having to search the cupboard for ingredients while other things are going on around you. Maybe you're blending or sauteing vegetables, etc. So yeah, have everything picked up and that will make the cooking process a lot easier. Also, do not be afraid to use fresh parsley, fresh basil and bay leaf if you have that available. So to prepare this soup, preheat the oven to about 220 degrees centigrade, that's about 425 Fahrenheit. Wash the peppers if needed and line a baking tray with parchment paper. Place the peppers on the parchment sheet. Also place 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and wrap in a tin foil pouch and then add to the baking sheet. Transfer the baking sheet to the oven, roasting the red peppers for about 20 to 30 minutes until the red pepper skins are charred and bubbly. Once the red pepper skins are charred and bubbly, remove them from the oven and put them all into a dish and use cling film to cover that dish and allow it to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will make it easier to remove the skin. Check if the garlic is tender. If it's not, pop the garlic back into the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes if needed. Peel the charred skins off the red peppers once they're cooled enough to handle, and then remove the central stalk and the seeds for each pepper, then set aside. Heat a saucepan over medium heat with a tablespoon of olive oil for about a minute. Add the onion and the celery. Saute it for about 5 minutes until the onions are soft. Once the onions and the celery are soft, add the parsley followed by the chili flakes, then the smoked paprika, bay leaf and the dried basil, followed by the chickpeas and then the red peppers, followed by the vegetable stock. And don't forget to add the garlic. Reduce the heat to low and cover, allowing it to simmer for about 25 minutes. After about 25 minutes, remove the bay leaf and carefully transfer the soup to a blender or food processor and blend until smooth. Once that is done, you can rewarm the soup if needed before serving. Leftovers can be stored in the fridge for about a week and in the freezer for up to 4 weeks. So there you go, my roasted red peppers and chickpea soup. What a delight of a soup. I particularly enjoy it with croutons and whole chickpeas, which kind of gives it a different texture and a crunch. So I hope you're able to make this soup at home. This is another great DASH diet recipe that can help you lower your blood pressure. So why not try this and let me know how you got on in the comments below. So click on the screen if you want to see other DASH diets available on this channel, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care, bye.